Hello everyone, more so hi to the ladies. My name is Nthabi. Welcome to my channel. I'm creating a halo braid. I'm just going to part my hair in the center. So I'm just going to go in with some of this to help define my line. Now all I'm going to do is dampen my hair again. I'm going to go in with my Isoplus hair gel. Now I'm going to go in with my molding gel wax. I want to tie this as low as possible. So just smooth it as much as you can so that it's as flat as you can possibly get it. So I'm just going to do the same on this side. Just going to dampen my hair. It's always good to work on damp hair. This is water, by the way. I need to get myself a water bottle. And then I'm going in with some hairspray. Not too much. Going in with some wax. Try to work in sections when applying your wax, especially around here. And then after this, I'm just going to comb through. And just try to align the two together. So now I'm just going over top with more gel on both sides. Not a lot, just so that it's not too dry. I'm just going to smooth it. So after this, we can do our edges. I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Some gel and a bit of wax and retie. So now I'm going to do my edges. I'm going to go in with minimal gel and some wax. Not too much. Wax. and some gel. Swoop down and then you go in. I just go over these until I'm happy with how it looks. Down, in. And now I'm just going to go in with my doek to lay the hair. So I'll be using one packet of this darling hair piece to create the halo braid. You split the one pack and you create 2 braids. This is how they look. You just split it into half and braid it. So all you have to do is just stretch the hair piece out so that it doesn't have that choppy look, and then braid it out. Now I'm going to take this out. If you don't want to attach, braid this onto your own hair and then you won't have to do all of this. So all I did was twist my hair up and create knots. I used my wax so that it stays in place. So now the trick is to just cover everything. And then I'm going to bring it up. Here's a bobby pin. So I'm probably going to do this over again off camera because I don't want the bobby pins to show, but right now I can't see the back because the mirror is here. So you go around, you probably need another bobby pin there. So you go around, and this is how it looks. So all of this one is going to go underneath the bigger part. You just pin it. I'm just going to use my got2b fresh spray for the flyaways. You can boil it if you want to because this is hot water. I'm just going to use some of this. You pin it. And then you go around. And then after that, so all you do is take this part and then you're going to push it in here and then pin this part as well. I obviously can't see myself because there's no mirror, but then I'm just gonna insert a pin somewhere here. You can shift them back or forward, and you can add pins around this area, and you can also decorate them. I purchased these at a stationery shop. You can just play around with that. I think these would look cute here.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can simply leave all of that in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.